Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Reinhardt template. The Reinhardt template is currently, it's got a copy of it sitting in what is called Canvas Commons. Commons is where you share things that people can search and then bring them into their Canvas course. It's a place where things designed in Canvas can be shared, kind of like a cloud. So here's how you get to Commons. Look over here in the global navigation strip, click on Commons. After you click on Commons, you'll be greeted with this Canvas Commons screen. Now what we want to do is look for the Reinhardt template, and here's the easiest way to find it. Click on Filter, then slide this toggle button, Only Reinhardt University Approved Resources. Do that, and voila, we have right here the Reinhardt template approved, ! 2019. And this is a complete course that we're going to use. We're going to import it into another course. So I'm going to collect that. And so this is what all comes with it. It has 4 modules, 1 assignment, 17 pages, 3 discussions, 1 quiz, and 60 files. So let's look at how you're going to install it into your course. You go to Import, Download, click the button. And here you're going to choose the course into which you want to install it. Now you see all of these courses. I've got some cleaning up to do. I've got a whole lot of courses that I'm responsible for, some that I just started templates for and haven't used for a while. But these are all of my courses. Now I'm going to bring this template into the template demo fall 19, but check it out. You can bring it into multiple classes at once. I could bring it into my class Piano 4s and my class Piano 2 all at the same time. These will be my spring semester courses. So I don't have to do this one at a time for each course. I can import it into all my courses in one swell foop. But I'm just going to bring it into the template demo for now. And then after you've selected the course, you simply click this button, Import into Course, bam! And then you have successfully started the import. It takes a little bit of time for it to go through, but not too long. I think if I were to check my dashboard and then were to click on this template demo fall 19, I think, no, not yet ready. Not yet ready. We'll give it another moment. Let's look in modules and see if there's anything there. Ah, and it just came up. Okay, so now we have the template installed. Come back and we'll look at how to use this template.